What is Bitcoin? What if I told you that one of the world's most valuable assets isn't made of gold, isn't printed by a government, and doesn't even exist in physical form? It's called Bitcoin. Some people believe it's the future of money. Others think it's the biggest financial revolution since the internet. And millions of Americans are investing in it. But surprisingly, many still don't understand how it actually works. So what exactly is Bitcoin? Why is one Bitcoin worth tens of thousands of dollars? Who created it? And could it really change the future of money forever? In this video, we are breaking everything down in simple English so anyone can understand. Bitcoin, even if you've never invested before. Let's get started. Chapter 1. What is money? Before we understand Bitcoin, we first need to understand money. Think about the cash in your wallet. A $20 bill has value because everyone agrees it has value. The US government issues it, businesses accept it, and people trust it. But today's money is mostly digital. When you check your bank account, you don't see stacks of cash. You simply see numbers on a screen. Those numbers represent money stored in a banking system. Banks keep track of who owns what. When you send money to someone using your bank, the bank updates its records. Bitcoin works differently. There is no bank. There is no central company. Instead, Bitcoin allows people to send money directly to one another over the internet. That's why it's called a decentralized digital currency. Chapter 2. Who created Bitcoin? Bitcoin appeared in 2008 during the global financial crisis. Banks were failing. Millions of people lost jobs and homes. Trust in the traditional financial system dropped dramatically. Then, someone using the name Satoshi Nakamoto published a paper describing a new kind of digital money. No one knows who Satoshi really is. It could have been one person. It could have been a group. To this day, Satoshi's identity remains one of the biggest mysteries in technology. In January 2009, the Bitcoin network officially launched. The first Bitcoin block, known as the Genesis block, was created. A completely new financial system had begun. Chapter 3. Why was Bitcoin created? Traditional money depends on governments and banks. They can print more money. They can freeze accounts. Transfers can take days. International payments often include expensive fees. Bitcoin was designed to solve these problems. Its goals were simple. No central authority. Anyone can participate. Fast global transfers. Limited supply. Transparent transactions. Anyone with an internet connection can use Bitcoin. No permission required. No bank account required. This was revolutionary. Chapter 4. Is Bitcoin real? One of the most common questions people ask is, if Bitcoin isn't physical, how can it have value? Think about email. You can't hold an email in your hand. But it's real. Millions of people use it every day. The same idea applies to Bitcoin.